Hello YouTube, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be going over part 5 of my anatomy tutorial videos, and today we're going to be focusing on the torso, mainly the abs, the lower back and the obliques. So if this sounds interesting, then let's hop into it. Much like the arms and the legs, the torso also has muscles that flex and extend. In this tutorial I will also be including a muscle that twists or rotates to function, but more on that later. Let us look at the lower back. When we are told to sit or stand upright, we extend our lower back. As I explained in my arm tutorial video, the top section of our back flexes when we pull back as if we are rowing a boat. When we do exercise, for example sit-ups, or work our abs in any way, we are flexing them as shown in my sketch here. This muscle is one of the most crucial muscles as it stabilizes our form and keeps us centered. As I said before, I will be introducing a muscle that twists or rotates to function. This is called the deltoids, and it helps us rotate our torso left and right. I have indicated them in yellow in my sketch. Now if we look at it from the front view, the lower back muscles cannot be seen. The abs that flex are drawn in red and the deltoids that twist are in yellow. Now here is a quick and rough sketch of what the torso would look like. Just to point out that this is a quick sketch and in no way is it perfect, but here we go. And that was the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please subscribe, leave a like and shoot a comment, because I genuinely want to hear what everyone thinks. But that's all from me today. See you next time.